I wanted to show you guys, if you're not sure, how you can use a dual display in Zoom. Mr. Espy showed me this today. It made life a lot easier. So I could see all of my kids' tiles on one screen, and then the screen I was sharing was completely separate. So you weren't having this little bitty screen to share with these little tiles of your kids. If you have to start a meeting in order for it to work, and when you don't have to add anybody yet. If you go to start video and video settings up to general, and you click right here, use dual monitors. Once you click that, it will set it up for you, and just hit the X. You have to make sure you're on extended screen. So I would see my kids here, and then if I hit share screen, I could go through and let me share my email. And right now it's not, I have to drag it over to the other side for my share screen, and that's what's going to be recording when you are recording your Zoom meetings. It'll record your share screen larger than it will for your little ones, for your kids. So I hope that helps. Have a great one.